Welcome back. Another video on its way, and in this video we're going to look at multiplication and look at a law called the distributive law. Again, it's not really important that you remember the name of the law, but it is really important you understand how the law works. The distributive law for multiplication tells us that when we multiply a number to a group of numbers which have been added or subtracted together, it's the same as if we did the multiplications all separately. In the two examples you can see here, we're multiplying 3 by some numbers inside brackets, and you can see that it's the same as multiplying 3 by each of the numbers separately. And we'll look at why this is. Example 1, 3 multiplied by brackets 2 plus 4. We're going to try and visualize this to help you understand. Inside the brackets we have 2 plus 4. We're just going to combine those for a second, which makes 6 by the way, but that's not important. We have this group, and because we're multiplying this group by 3, we have 3 of them. Now we're going to split this back up again, and I hope you can see that we have 3 lots of the 2 groups and 3 lots of the 4 groups. So we can say that 3 times bracket 2 plus 4 is equivalent. Now notice this little equal sign has an extra line, and that means equivalent. It doesn't mean is equal to an answer, it means that the first statement is equivalent to the second statement. So 3 times bracket 2 plus 4 is equivalent to 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4. Hopefully you can see that the 3 is multiplied by both the 2 and the 4. Right, example 2. 4 times bracket 1 plus 6. Good way to do this is to use these arcs. 4 times 1 plus 4 times 6. So 4 times the first number plus 4 times the second number. So 4 times bracket 1 plus 6 is equivalent to 4 times 1 plus 4 times 6. Right, example 3, have a look at this one. Notice there's no times after the 5 and before the brackets. In mathematics we don't put a times quite often. So this here means 5 times brackets 7 minus 2. So it's the same as what we've just done, but there's no times, and you need to remember there is a times there. So we need to go 5 times 7, take away 5 times 2. So 5 bracket 7 minus 2 is equivalent to 5 times 7, take away 5 times 2. Alright, let's show you how and where this can be used. Let's look at example 4. Multiply 6 times 98. Well, we're going to take the 98, we're going to use that decomposing method we talked about earlier, and we're going to break it up into, notice this is a bit tricky, we're going to turn 98 into 100 take away 2, because 100 take away 2 is 98. And we'll put it inside some brackets. We've still got the 6 times bracket 100 minus 2. So 6 times 98 is equivalent to 6 times bracket 100 minus 2. Now we're going to use the distributive law. And we're going to go 6 times 100, take away 6 times 2. So now we can start working out some answers. So 6 times 100 is 600, and 6 times 2 is 12. 600 subtract 12 is equal to 588. So 6 times 98 is equal to 588. Great, thanks for watching.